what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. It's been quite some while मैंने makeup या skincare के shopping नहीं की है and there are so many new products in the market. So of course I had to pick them up and also काफ़ी सारे products मेरे wish list में थे जो मैंने order नहीं किए थे. So let's try them one by one. With skincare first. So the first product I want to talk about is by The Ordinary. It's their AHA BHA peeling solution. This has 30% AHA and 2% BHA. इससे अच्छा पीलिंग सोल्यूशन मैंने नहीं देखा है. आई डू नॉट एन्जॉय फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएंट, सो केमिकल एक्सफोलिएंट इज माई गो टू प्रोडक्ट वेन एवर आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सफोलिएट माई स्किन. आई हैव ट्राइड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स बट आई ऑलवेज कम बैक टू दिस. दिस इज एक्चुअली अ रीपर्चेज फॉर मी. मैंने इसका ये पूरा साइज बॉटल ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ एंड आई हैव रीपर्चेस्ड इट एंड आई ऑनेस्टली फॉरगॉट अबाउट दिस फॉर क्वाइट सम वाइल, बट रीपर्चेस किया मैंने. आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट एंड आई अंडरस्टूड कि मैंने वो पूरा एक बॉटल कैसे ख़त्म किया था. इट्स सो फ्रिकिन गुड. इट जस्ट गिव्स यू अ नाइस क्लीन कैनवस टू स्टार्ट विद. अगर आपने मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो देखा होगा उसमें मैंने ये यूज़ किया हुआ है. इट्स सो फ्रिकिन गुड. यू जस्ट नीड टू यूज़ इट फॉर 10 minutes, नथिंग मोर देन 10 minutes. इट इज़ अ केमिकल एक्सफोलिएंट, केमिकल पील है. इट kind of will burn you if you keep it for a longer time. So 10 minute लिखा हुआ है, 8 to 10 minutes is all you need. This will get rid of all the dead skin cells, blackheads, whiteheads, even the small little black hair that's on your nose. Your whole skin feels baby soft and renewed. Absolutely love this product. If you've never tried a chemical peel solution, go for this one. It is potent. Okay, it is potent, don't get me wrong. If you have sensitive skin, definitely do a patch test before. मेरे स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है and I absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite beauty maintenance routine that I always do. Next, I picked up Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask by Innisfree. This is so viral. I've seen so many beauty influencers rave about it, talk about it. So मुझे genuinely ये try out करना था. मैंने एक बार भी use नहीं किया है. This will be the first time for me as well. Very excited to try it out and it literally looks like a clay mask by the way. इसके पहले जो मैं use करती थी, this one by Foxtail, इसका बड़ा bottle था जो मैंने ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ and I actually got this sample size फ्री में, जो सैम्पल साइज ऐसे दे देते हैं वैसा वाला. तो ये मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ किया है एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट ऑन माई फेस. दिस आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड इट, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस वन. नाउ आई हैव ड्राई स्किन टाइप एंड दिस इज़ ग्रेट इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन टाइप, बिकॉज ये अच्छे से प्रॉपरली पूरा जो भी गंक है आपके फेस में, पोर्स को एकदम डीप क्लीन करता है एंड इट कैन बी स्लाइटली ड्राइंग. आई हैव ड्राई स्किन, सो मैं उससे थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मे बी ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ड्राइंग हो सकता है मेरे लिए. आई विल ट्राई इट आउट एंड लेट यू गाइज नो हाउ दिस वर्क्स. बट या, दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड परचेज. नेक्स्ट आई हैव गॉट बंच ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड PHD. मैंने इनके कभी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई नहीं किए थे. आई रिसेंटली गॉट अ PR फ्रॉम देम एंड देयर वाज नो ऑब्लिगेशन टू पोस्ट एनीथिंग रील और नथिंग. सो आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई देम आउट बिकॉज मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था. सो फर्स्ट वन इज दिस सेरामाइड हाइड्रेटिंग क्लेंजर. Now this cleanser is very similar to Simple का जो cleanser है. No fragrance whatsoever. So if you have sensitive skin, sensitive to fragrance specifically, this one does not have any fragrance in it and it's great for all skin types and it's a gentle hydrating cleanser, no nonsense product है. Again, as I said, it's very similar to the Simple one. No fragrance, no color, no any extra thing that you don't need in your cleanser. If you want a simple cleanser, you can check this one out. Now it has a very similar smell that Simple has, तो ये मुझे काफ़ी similar लगा वो product से. But honestly this is a nice cleanser. I've been using it quite frequently. I think 2-3 हफ्ते से मैं यही face wash use कर रही हूँ. It's very nice, gently cleans my face without over drying it, so I really like it. Next, I have 2 moisturizers from them. First of all, can we appreciate the packaging? I really like it. This is glass bottle by the way and look at the color combination. So sexy, so sleek. I really like the packaging and it looks very premium. Okay, so this one is the PHD Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizer and this one is their 3% niacinamide oil free moisturizer. So if you have dry to normal skin type, I would say go for this one, the vitamin C brightening one, because I really like the consistency of it. It blends so beautifully. It's not very heavy. It's like a mix of cream and the gel consistency. I would say it's a mix of that. Gel भी नहीं बोल सकती हो, cream भी नहीं बोल सकती हो, बिल्कुल भी heavy नहीं है, which I like. Especially for this hot, humid climate, you don't want anything that's super heavy on your face. I have dry skin type, but I enjoy it thoroughly. And I feel if you have oily skin type, I would go for this one. This is a 3% niacinamide oil free moisturizer. तो ये इतना ज़्यादा dewy मॉइस्चराइजिंग फील नहीं करता है. फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप दे वॉन्ट इट टू बी अ लिटिल बिट लेस ड्यूई. सो दोनों सिमिलर काम करते हैं, बट दिस वन इज ग्रेट फॉर नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन टाइप एंड दिस वन is great for oily skin type. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer that's not super heavy, that moisturizes your skin and does the job, you can try this one out. And lastly, I have the sunscreen. Now this sunscreen has SPF 60 PA++. मैंने जितने भी sunscreen आज तक यूज़ किए हैं, none of them are SPF 60. Okay, so this is the Panthenol Hydrating Gel Sunscreen. SPF 60 है इसमें, PA++, actually 4 times plus. Great for all skin types and fragrance free. I think इनका सारे products में there are no fragrance, no gunk products. So जितने चाहिए उतने ही. Plus SPF 60. Now as soon as I tried it, it was so easy to blend. No white cast whatsoever. Did not feel heavy on my face. Blended beautifully and absorbed so well. You can see how my skin was looking very hydrating, very moisturizing. So I really like to use this. And as I said, SPF 60 है. I think maximum SPF कोई अगर देखा है मैंने sunscreen वाला, it's from this brand that I have used personally. So I really like it. Good protection, and it actually does the job without feeling super heavy or having that white cast on your face, and gives you a SPF protection of 60. So yeah, a really good sunscreen. Next, I picked up this moisturizer by CeraVe. It's their Hydrating HA Water Gel. It has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it. Now, I personally love CeraVe ka face wash. It has been one of my favorite face washes, hydrating face wash. So मुझे genuinely इनका moisturizer भी try out करना था, specifically because it's A, hydrating. Second, it has this gel formula. Now, as I said, hot and humid climate where you don't want anything that is way too moisturizing, way too heavy on your face. This one has that gel consistency और ये इतना अच्छे से, look at that, easily blend होता है, does not feel very heavy, and because it has that gel like texture, you don't feel like it's sitting very heavy on your face. Gives you that moisturization that you need, look at that, and gives you that glow as well. You definitely need to give it a little time, but it has that glow, moisturizes your skin. Now it has written कि यहाँ पर 72 hours hydration लिखा हुआ है. I don't think it has 72 hours of hydration, but sometimes I just need something that's a little bit more lightweight, absorbs quickly, and this one does just that. I'm definitely going to try it out more. I'm going to incorporate this in my daytime and my nighttime skincare routine and see how this performs on my face and gives the kind of hydration that I need or not, and I'll keep you guys updated. Next, this is the only hair care product that I have picked up. This is by Shine and Jam. It's a conditioning gel with extra hold. I've been really into doing cornrows or fulani braids and stuff like that. एक बार मैंने try किया था और मैंने normal gel के साथ उसे try किया था. And what I've realized is ये जो braiding gel होता है and normal gel में काफ़ी ज़्यादा difference है. If you put a lot of that, it starts flaking and it looks like you have a lot of dandruff on your scalp. And मुझे जल्दी निकाल के उसे धो देना पड़ा था because it was looking so freaking bad. So I bought a like proper professional braiding gel, and I'm so excited to try out multiple braids on my hair. Let me know in the comments if you want to see if I try out any of those. If you want to see a tutorial of that, I would love to know. And जितना मैंने ये try out किया है ना product, it's super like lightweight, बिल्कुल भी heavy feel नहीं होता है. Plus it has that oily balmy texture to it. Smells so good. It has that orange citrusy smell to it, fragrance to it, and ये बिल्कुल भी वो ऐसे flaky वो चीज़ें ड्राई होके नहीं फील हुआ मुझे और वैसे नहीं दिख रहा था. मैंने इसका बेबी hairs like this, you can set that as well. It has that kind of extra hold that you need. So yeah, I'm very excited to try them out, and let me know in the comments if you want to see how I use this product to do my braids. Yeah, and that's all I got for skincare and hair care. Let's move on to makeup now. So the first product I picked up is this brand called Luar. It's a new brand in the market and the only product that they have is foundation, liquid foundation. This is their luminous veil liquid foundation. So ये एक ही hero product उन्होंने launch किया हुआ है, which I like. If you are coming up with a new brand, just focus on one product and do it right, and this is exactly what they did, I feel like. So जैसे ये आया, I seen a lot of videos raving about this product, so I definitely wanted to try it out. And काफ़ी टाइम से मैंने कोई भी नया बेस प्रोडक्ट ट्राई नहीं किया था, so I'm very excited to put it in my cart. Now this tiny little bottle is 10 ml and I paid 1,500 for it. It's definitely expensive. Definitely expensive. इसका full size bottle जो 30 ml का आता है वो 2.5K का आता है. So yeah, definitely expensive, but I feel it's in between the budget friendly and super expensive like Dior and all of that. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है, एंड देन यू हैव द बजट फाउंडेशन, ये इन बिटवीन पड़ता है, बट इट परफॉर्म्स लाइक अ लग्जरी ब्रांड. दैट्स लाइक दे हैव नेल्ड द बेस थिंग. ओके, दिस शेड स्पेसिफिकली L5 इज सच अ परफेक्ट मैच फॉर मी. आई मीन इतने सारे फाउंडेशंस यूज़ किए हैं मैंने, कोई भी इतना बढ़िया मैच मुझे नहीं मिला है जितना ये है. दिस L5 इज़ मी, माई शेड. यू कैन सी इट इन द ट्राई ऑन पार्ट. जैसे मैं इसको ब्लेंड भी कर रही हूँ, आप देख सकते हो कितना अच्छे से ये ब्लेंड हो रहा है, एंड द शेड मैच इज स्पॉट ऑन. इफ़ यू आर सिमिलर टू माई शेड, L5 इज़ योर शेड. आई फील it has a little bit of warm tone, but it's not super warm and it's perfect for me. इसका कवरेज मैं बोलूँगी इट्स मीडियम कवरेज, लाइट टू मीडियम बोल सकती हूँ मैं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू like pack it on, then you can definitely add another layer of it and it will be high coverage. मैंने under eyes के यहाँ पर double layer लगाया था and it gave me the coverage that I need. No creasing whatsoever, not over here. I especially have a little bit of creasing over here other foundations में, but not with this, not with this at all. No creasing, no settling in the lines, not even creasing near the under eye. जहाँ पर ये under eye का जो line है यहाँ पर तो मेरा creasing होता ही है no matter what, but not this one. I'm so impressed with this product. Also the finish that it gives, it's like a velvet semi matte finish मैं बोल सकती हूँ. बिल्कुल भी dewy और वो glowy वाला finish नहीं है, which honestly I was quite surprised. It was looking so good. Even for me, I have dry skin type, तो ये लगा रहे हो तो definitely prep your skin really really well, which I did, and my skin, like look at that, like it was looking so freaking good with nice studio lighting. I was so impressed with this. I'm definitely going to buy like a bigger bottle of this. Everything about this foundation I like. This is a luxury dupe, a luxury bottle. So yeah, definitely try it out. It's a good brand. Moving on, I have DM Beauty Hydra Tints with me. I have all 4 shades. Tempting, exciting, addicting and flirting with me. Now this is supposed to be a dupe for the Chanel one, जो उनका face foundation है, which has those tiny little beads that you burst and you know it pigment आता है. Same exact thing with the blush formula. If you'll see closely, you'll see these tiny little beads. ये tint है and the white thing is the serum. So it kind of looks like very dewy, very serum, like that's your skin but glowing and hydrating, something like that. All you have to do is just take it in the pump, drop like 1 or 2 drops of it and emulsify. तो वो beads जो है वो burst होते हैं and the actual tint है वो आपको दिखेगा. Then just take a brush and stipple it on your face. You will see it in the video कि कितना अच्छा perform करता है. Now this really gives you that dewy, hydrating kind of a blush look. If you don't like the powder one or the cream one, this is like a right in between. I would say if you want your skin to look like Hailey Bieber, these are the products that you need. One of my favorite shades is this one by Flirting. I think it's a beautiful Barbie pink shade. Now the one that I'm wearing right now is Addicting and I think 2 घंटा हो गया है मैंने ये लगा के. It's definitely not as pigmented as before, but it's still there, which I like, and it's definitely glowy. It's not looking very patchy. So yeah, I'll show you guys swatches of all 4 of them. मैंने अभी तक इसको पूरा दिन यूज़ नहीं किया है. I'll definitely try it more and let you guys know after a few months. But I really like the tint and the glow and hydrating look that it gives, which I really like. So let me know in the comments down below which shade was your favorite and what do you guys think about them. Next, I picked up a lip plumper by Etude. It's their glaze pump, and इसमें भी 3 शेड आते हैं, and the lip plumping effect also varies. So this one is the max one. Okay, this is supposed to give you that voluptuous lips. ये भी लगा के 1 घंटा तो almost हो गया है, and this is how it's looking. Okay, can we take a moment and look at this freaking bottle? It looks so cute and so beautiful. It has this blue tint, और इसका जो sparkle भी है ना, it also has that blue tint in it. Okay, and it's a clear gloss. This one specifically is a clear gloss. I don't know अभी ये दिख रहा है कि नहीं, but आप क्लोजअप में देखोगे ना, इट हैज़ दैट ब्लू स्पार्कल, और जो दिख के भी आता है बहुत टाइनी है, इट्स नॉट लाइक वेरी वियर्ड. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लिप प्लम्पिंग इफेक्ट. ये जैसे आप लगाओगे ना, इट्स गोइंग टू फील स्पाइसी. इट्स not something that you'll be like, oh, it's burning or anything. It feels spicy. आपने कुछ तीखा खाया है and the lips starts little burn sensation. It kind of feels like that, which I'm okay with. Indians, I think, will be okay with it. I don't think you'll have a problem with it. I think you have to give it like 5 to 10 minutes for it to like do the job, and you can see the before and you can see the after. Few things that I have noticed. Now it does not have like a very crazy plumping, like एक 2-3 size बड़े हो गए मेरे lips, ऐसा कुछ नहीं मुझे लगा. But the lower lip definitely felt a little bit more fuller, and specifically जो lines है. Now if you have multiple lines and it's very dried up, your lips are very dry and chapped, this is going to kind of blur it out. The lines literally were feeling like मैंने lip injections लगाए हैं. I genuinely loved the results using this, and I think this is like the first product, lip plumping product जो मैंने try किया है, और मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. If you have any other recommendations that I need to try, definitely let me know in the comments. So yeah, but I really like it. If you are interested in getting something like this, then definitely get it. It's really, really good. The next product I want to talk about has been in my wish list for quite some while now. It's by Simply Naam. It's the Pixie Dust Multi-Use Glitter Glow, and as the name suggests, it's like a glitter glow. If you've seen Fenty Beauty Glitter Bomb, this is kind of like a dupe for it, I would say, but so less and cheaper. It's in the shade Starlight. Now, one of the things that I love about this product is you need a very tiny amount, and as soon as you spread it, you'll see the glitter disperse very evenly. It's not streaky. It does not feel like सारा glitter एक ही जगह पे concentrate हो गया है, which I absolutely love, and it gives a very nice even starlit kind of a look. Again, it's very subtle. You can definitely add multiple layers of it if you want it to be like popping, but someone like me who enjoys something that's a little bit more neutral, and especially for the daylight, if you want like one single layer of that nice little glimmer, you can use this. Another thing that you can use this on is, if you've seen those 90s lip combo which has that nice little glitter, you can use this and make any lip combo that. So all you need is just a little bit of this product, dab dab dab, and just once you're done with your lip combo, dab onto this matte one, of course, dab on, and you'll have this beautiful glitter dispersed all over. It's gonna look so freaking good. Absolutely love this product. I wish थोड़ा इसका pigmentation or the way it stands out थोड़ा और होता तो और मज़ा आता, but I'm happy with how this product looks on me. So I've been meaning to get a good liquid eyeliner for quite some while now, and I finally found it. This one is by e.l.f. It's the Expert Liquid Eyeliner. I wanted matte black, like pitch matte black, and that's exactly what I got, which I'm very happy about. Now I like my eyeliners to have a very fine tip, and just look at this tip. It's so fine, it's so good. आप जितना पतला चाहिए ना, उतना पतला लाइनर इससे क्रिएट कर सकते हो. Another thing I like about this applicator, it's not only fine, but the edge of it has like a little bit more of that brush thing, like a bulb thing, and वो ना अच्छा खासा प्रोडक्ट उठा लेता है. So if you want to fill that in, you can do that without going in multiple times. You just need one swipe of this, and you can do like this beautiful sharp eyeliner look. I remember in my college days, I used to do these kind of eyeliner looks every single day. I was obsessed. I've been stopped doing that for quite some while now. और मेरा सारे eyeliner भी सूख गए थे, ख़त्म हो गए थे. So I wanted to like pick a really good eyeliner, and I'm so happy with this. If you want a good eyeliner, grab this by e.l.f. It's so good. And lastly, I picked the super viral setting mist by L'Oreal. It's a L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. The mist on this is so fine. मतलब इतना फाइन सेटिंग मिस्ट मैंने कोई भी सेटिंग स्प्रे में नहीं देखा है. इट्स सो फाइन, सो ईजी टू यूज़, एंड दिस इज सपोज टू सेट इट फॉर 36 आवर्स. नो ट्रांसफर व्हाटसोएवर. 36 आवर्स तक तो कोई मेकअप रखेगा नहीं, बट आई थिंक दिस विल गिव यू अ गुड वेयर. लाइक जैसे आपने मेकअप लगाया वैसे ही दिखने वाला है इवनिंग तक भी. Because look at my makeup, it's looking exactly like the way I had applied it. It's looking so good, and it definitely gives a little bit of the dewy finish जो मुझे पसंद है, especially after you powder everything, and if you want it to blend, like the cream product, the powder product and everything blend together, and you want that beautiful glowy look at the end, this is going to give you that, and it's going to set your makeup and keep it in place for hours and hours and hours. The spray on this I'm a big fan of, and yeah, I'm super excited. I understand why it's viral. It's viral for all the right reasons, and look at that glow. Look how glowy my skin is looking. My makeup has not budged or moved at all, and it's looking like this since morning. So I'm super excited about this. Yeah, ऑनेस्टली ये पूरा मेकअप लुक मैंने क्रिएट किया है यूजिंग ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट. नो अदर प्रोडक्ट आई हैव यूज्ड, एंड द वे माई स्किन हैज़ बिन लुकिंग, आई थिंक आई फाउंड सो मेनी ऑफ new products that are so good and definitely going to be a part of my makeup routine. So I'm very excited about it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Do not forget to check them out. Also, Amazon पे Great Freedom Sale start होने वाला है from 7th August. You can get up to 70% off on all top fashion and beauty brands. So do not forget to check out all the products. If you want anything right now is the perfect time to get the shopping done. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!